Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today we're going to do a short drawing activity called Yes You Can Draw a Pig, because yes you can draw a pig, and today I'm going to show you how to do it with some very easy to follow steps. If you can draw a circle, you can draw a pig, trust me. So all you're going to need to do this activity is something to write on. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase board and something to write with. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase marker. If you have those things and you're ready to go, then so am I, and let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a pretty big circle in the middle of our paper. This is going to be our pig's body. So as always, you can make your pig as big or as small as you want. This is just an idea to get you started. Maybe you'd like to write a story about a very skinny pig. Who knows? Anything is possible once you have the basic tools. The next thing that we're going to do is inside our big circle, we're going to draw another circle. And this circle is going to be your pig's face. So it goes kind of right in the middle. And there you got your pig's face. I know what you're thinking to yourself right now. You're saying, Miss Norris, that does not look like a pig. That looks like a donut. And you're right, because there's steps that we need to do to turn this donut into a cute little piggy. So the next thing that we're going to do to help us along is we're going to give our pig a face. So we're going to start off with more circles. I want you to go ahead and draw 2 circles at the top. Go ahead and give it some little pupils. Now that's a donut that's looking at you, right? Then you're going to draw a little oval with 2 dots. There's your pig's nose and your nostrils. If you've done drawing activities with me before, you know that anytime I spend drawing with you is a time that I'm happy. And so everything that I draw with you guys is going to be smiling. So I'm going to draw my smiley pig. But as always, you can draw whatever face you choose. You could make a scared face. Maybe he's nervous. Maybe he's excited about something. You never know. Now, just to give this a little razzle-dazzle, I'm going to give this pig some eyelashes. So above each eye, I'm going to draw 3 little lines. And now that pig looks like it's talking, but it won't be able to hear you unless we give this pig some ears. So right above its eyes, but before you get to the back of your donut, you're going to draw 2 little dots up in the sky. Those are going to be to help you get your ears going right. So we'll do this together. We're going to make, from the top of this dot, you're going to make 1 line that goes down, kind of curved, and another line that goes down and is kind of curved. You see that? It's a little ear. We're going to do it again. So if you didn't see it last time, try it again. A little bit of a curved line and a little bit of a curved line. And then just a little line in the middle of each of those. Hey, we're listening. That's right. So now we need to get our pig moving. So underneath your pig's face and at the bottom of your donut, you're going to draw 4 longish lines and 4 shortish lines. Now, at the bottom of each of these lines, you're going to make a W. Watch. Down, up, down, up. Gives it little hooves. And then top it off. We'll try it again. Down, up, top it off. Down, up, top it off. Down, up, and a little topper. So now you have your feet, ladies and gentlemen, with little hooves on them. And it was as easy as making a capital or lowercase w. There is one final step that makes this piggy delightful, and that's its little curly tail. So at the back side of your pig, which is now a pig, you're going to just make a little line that has, I'm going to make 2 loops in my tail, but you can, again, make as many as you want. So I'm just going to say 1, 2, and that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, you can draw a pig. because you just did. I hope that you take some time to experiment with your pig. Maybe make up a story about your pig. You can change its face. You can change its size. You can change how many curls you want in that tail. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button at the bottom of this page. For those of you who've already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And if you haven't done so already, please click that subscribe button and click the bell so you get notifications so you don't miss out on any of these cool videos. I hope you love your pigs, and I will see you next time. Bye.